By default, links are blue when you haven't visited them, and then they turn purple if you have visited them. And there's also two other states in which you can see links. Actually, when you are clicking, when you mouse over the link, they can change colors, and also when you're actually clicking on it and the link is still active, then it can take a fourth separate formatting if you wanted to. The only thing that I asked was for you to have a color for links, and then which is different than the color for your text, so that you can highlight them or emphasize them better. And then the other thing was a color for mouse for when we mouse over. So in order to do that, basically the process is the same. It's similar to when we are formatting all the tags on a website, except that links are a little special because they have these four um, different states. There's something in addition to just selecting the tag that you need to do in Quick CSS. So we go to Quick CSS and we select the A tag, and then we have to look at the drop-down menu that's below the tag, the drop-down menu for the tag. This we hadn't used before, and it basically contains that additional information of the state of the link so that we can select that one. So the very first one that we will select is the link. Then you can select your formatting options. You click on the OK button. You cut the generated code, paste it, save and preview. The rest is the same procedure. So we're gonna give that a try now. So we select the A tag. We select the link option, which is the first one. It's the color of the links that is different than the color of the rest of the text. And we basically want to go into the inventory, the images and color inventory, to look for that color. In my case, I'm just going to make it black. We could definitely do things like provide a background color to the link, and also you know, you could make it a different font. You could make it bold, or you could make it italic. You could give it a border if you wanted to as well. So for example, I'm just going to be playing here. Actually, no border. What I'm going to do is, the other thing is, I don't know if you notice when you load a page, the links are not underlined, and then when you mouse over, they are. This is the place where you get to choose that. So the link you will select as none, and that eliminates the underlining from it. So once you've made your selections in terms of the formatting, to make that link be emphasized as opposed to the regular text, you click on the OK button. The page reloads, and it basically changes to show that new formatting that you've specified, and you cut the code and you paste it on the page, on the styles.css page. Then you save it, and you can preview your page. So if you refresh it, you need to and basically you just have to make sure that you refresh the page. A word of caution here: if the link is one that you have visited and it turned purple by default, it means that it's not going to automatically show you that color or formatting options that you selected. So you would have to add the specifications in your style sheet for visited. And and what I just did here is that I selected basically the same colors. You could just um, do something different with it. Um, so that's all the process that you need to do in order to format your links.